POTOT and JR, congratulations. And yes, finally na-monetize na jud ka and na-monetize na jud kang duha, no? Congratulations sa imong achieve karon na another journey, and I am very much happy nga na-monetize na ka kay I know how you feel. Makarelate ko sa imuha, di ba? So, itry na kasi nabot lights. And I know na feel na ko ang mga struggles, ang hard work para lang ma-monetize ta and ma-achieve na ko ang 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I know it is very hard, or a lot of sacrifices, hard work, and determination ang atong gi-put dara sa YouTube world. And I know small YouTuber ta, but still laban lang gyapon and thank you sa mga inspiring videos nimo sa mga tutorial videos. Hopefully we'll make another more inspiring videos and more travel videos. Travel videos. Hopefully soon paguli niyo maka-collab ta, and hopefully travel vlog, mukbang vlog. So laban lang gyapon ta sa ganung tao. Wala naman to sa ato sa kakayahan, charla, and capacity to do this such thing. So thank you, and akong pinaka-happy gyapon nga finally sa akong ginaingon pagyud, this is just the beginning of our journey, and hopefully makatuloy-tuloy na jud ni, and hopefully makadagan jud kag subscribers para dagan mo views sa imong mga videos and basta natay mga goals in life. Natay mga goals sa YouTube world, and yeah. And once again, congratulations na finally monetize na yung channel mo. I am here for you to support you all the way. So, kinsa lang man ang magsinuporta ay di ba kita lang. I am just here willing to help you and everything. So, di ba, chat lang. Support lang sa mga vlogs. So, laban Japan. Congratulations, God bless you. Bye.
Hello guys, it's me, Nata Vlogs. I want to say congratulations to Sir POTOT ESTI for gaining the monetization period. Congratulations, and now officially you are a newly monetized channel. I am hoping and prayer that your journey as a small YouTuber shall be continued. Stay as you are, stay humble as you are, and we are here to support you. Don't change as you are, and I am thankful that I know you here, and I appreciate all your videos or your creation or all your effects and edits, all of that. I appreciate and I love the way you are, and even though that we are not talk to each other every day, but all of you as my team, you will stay and you will stick here on me. So stay safe, take care of yourself always, and enjoy the world in YT. So keep it up, and more power, and God.
I just wanna say hi and congratulations sa ako ang good friend from YouTube ug sa real world. Walay lain kundi si Sir Jonito Istiliore aka POTOT ESTI. Mga ka-ESTI, oh my God! Congratulations sir for ngayon monetized channel ka na. And thank you so much kasi for you, without your help, MJ Lopez will not be MJ Lopez the Asia's Parrot. Thank you so much for introducing me sa daghan king nga butang sa YouTube. Oh my God, without you, dili na ko ma-reach kani nga levels sa nga kasikatan sa YouTube. Charot lang, no? So keep vlogging, sir. God bless you always. Stay safe, and I am hoping for more of your success, and unta magka-collab ta soon. I am really looking forward sa ana nga adlaw. And akong isa pud sa akong wish sa imuha is maka-receive na kasi mong sahod sa YT. Oh my God. Again, congratulations and love.
Hello, Langga. Wow. Monetize na akong Langga. Ikaw na yun. Amazing. Wow, congratulations, Langga. Muna mong first step sa inyong achievement sa YT. Wow. So, ang akong request sa inyo sa next vlog is, I want you to sing. Diba? Carry ra kayo rin mo. Kaya kayo. Ikaw pa. Amping Langga, amping mo, tanan. Love, love, lots. God bless. Mwah.
Hi! Uy, I missed you. Hi, ESTI. I would like to congratulate you for your new journey as a vlogger. Congratulations kay na-monetize na imong YouTube channel. I hope magpadayon ka na imong new life, new journey dira sa Dubai. I know soon ang imong gina-dream. I know jud ma-successful ka pohon. I know through that matabangan na nimo imong parents, katong mga plans nimo before. I know mabuhat na nimo karon, and then basta congratulations, and amping ka kung asa karon. Stay safe always, kaon on time, and basta I'm so happy for you, Sir Este. I miss you. Congratulations again. And akong request sa imo is mukbang challenge, which is kung unsay na ang food sa Dubai.
Hello, what's up mga ka-este? So I would just like to congratulate Junito Estiliori Junior for monetizing his YouTube channel, and I know someday you will become a very successful YouTuber, a vlogger, and thank you so much for the help, and I hope that you would share more videos and more inspiring videos and more funny videos. That's all. Bye!
Hi, Kuya Jun! Congratulations sa iyong mga YouTube channel na bongga pak. And amo din challenge sa imo is tahong challenge in public
places.
Yes. Kabalo na mga na kay sure ko naggatan ako ka Q-Park no. Kabalo ko naggatan ako ka Q-Park, so hope imo na buhaton ti challenge.
Yes.
Dapat
gid mi ana.
Yes, dapat humanon yun mo ang song. Walay kuana, walay char ha. Sige peace out. I love you so much. Amping dia Curly.
Hi Este, good morning. Happy birthday, Charla. Congratulations Este for your YouTube channel. So hopefully makaulit na ka because I really miss you. And then congratulations from Nika sa kong baby, Nara. So hopefully makaulit na ka kaya para mag-jam na ta. So ingat dyan, I love you.
Hi, POTOT Este, or we should call you Mama Ru. We would like to congrats you for your first. And what would expect sa inyong vlog na mo? Madaghan mo na ang views. Yes. Congratulations then. We hope so na mas mubong pa rin yung vlog and madaghan pa tags na follow mo kung mo subscribe. Yes. Thank you, Mama Ru. We're so proud of you. Padayon lang kung yung pangandoy. Ang hindi asalipan. And in behalf of Jana, so walang watcha. Charla. Bye!
Congratulations, POTOT Este! We are so happy that you are now monetized in your
so
vlog.
proud of you.
Yeah, so proud here. And we'll ask these kiddos what.
Yeah.
Maliha, what can you say about Tito JR's video?
Congratulations, Tito JR.
Yeah.
We like your video. Keep making more videos.
Yeah, thank you so much. And how about you, Kuya Abu?
Yes. Thank you, Tito JR, for helping me editing my video, making my channel. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, very fantastic. That's good. We are so hoping and looking forward na mapadalunon ang imong channel, and we are here just to support you. Unsa nga mga content kung asa mo gusto. We are so proud here and say goodbye.
Bye!